how to use Skype for international calls. So if you want to use Skype for international calls, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Skype application if you have the application, or you can also go with your browser. So once you're under your Skype, now you need to go with the profile. If you're under the application, you will have the profile option on the top left. You can go with the top left. Or if you're using your browser, you can also go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now you need to go with Skype to phone. Once you go with Skype to phone, now here you can scroll down and you will have all of these options like United States, India, North America. You can just simply choose any option to make an international call. So select the option. For example, I'll just simply go with United States. You can go with continue and you can just pay whatever it's asking you to pay. Like for example, here it's £2. So you need to just go with continue. And once you pay for it, then within £2, you'll be able to make international calls as much as you like. You will have unlimited minutes subscription. So that's how you can use Skype for your international calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.